Indian troops, paramilitary forces, police and dreaded National Investigation Agency have unleashed a new wave of terror in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir in the name of security for Hindu pilgrims of Amarnath Yatra that commenced in the territory today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the forces personnel are conducting house raids, crackdowns and search operations, particularly in South Kashmir. Youth are arrested, harassed and ordered to report to army camps and police stations for questioning. Witnesses told the media that the authorities have made heavy deployment of the troops along Srinagar-Jammu highway. No one is allowed to move in the areas. All shops located on the routes of the Yatra have been forcibly shut down, while the Indian Army has pressed drones into service to monitor the civilian movement. Besides, military bunkers have mushroomed everywhere, giving the Kashmir Valley a military garrison look. The APHC leadership, while condemning the Indian state terrorism in a statement, urged the world community to raise voice against inhumane treatment to Kashmiris by the brutal Indian troops. The leadership said that by doing this, New Delhi is trying in vain to break the Kashmiris' commitment to the freedom cause. PGP President Mehbooba Mufti, commenting on the forcible closure of shops, tweeted that despite stringent measures, it is the people of Kashmir who provide the real sense of security to the Yatra pilgrims. The 43-day Yatra, which commenced from the twin base camps in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir today, will conclude on August 11th. In another sad development, after targeting Indian Muslims through bulldozer drive, the Modi regime has now started destroying the houses of Kashmiri Muslims after wickedly designating them as hideouts of Mujahideen in Kashmir. The Indian Army also releases the footages of the blasted houses. In what's such latest incident, house of a poor Kashmiri was blasted in Nadihal area of Bandipora district, and footage was also released to the media to create an atmosphere of fear and harassment in the territory. A prayer meeting was organized in memory of a 14-year-old innocent martyr, Khalid Sharif Mir, in Sopore on his martyrdom anniversary today. On this day in 2009, Khalid was arrested by Indian troops from a protest demonstration, tortured and thrown into the river from bridge. When he tried to swim out, the troops opened fire, killing him on the spot.